Experiencing no signal on your T-Mobile home internet gateway? This often stems from poor signal strength or signal-to-noise ratio, especially in rural or suburban areas. Start by checking your signal strength, aiming for at least minus 80 dBm. Minus 50 dBm is excellent. The issue often comes from poor signal-to-noise ratio, which can interfere with your connection. Use the T-Mobile Network app or a third-party tool like LTE Discovery to assess your current signal. The primary causes are usually gateway placement, antenna limitations, or incorrect band selection. Firmware updates may help, so ensure your gateway is up to date. T-Mobile has expanded its 5G towers, particularly band N71, 600 MHz, which penetrates homes better, but localized issues persist due to weather or spectrum interference. User fixes are increasingly common due to network densification. 3 key fixes can significantly improve your signal. First, try different placements. Elevate your gateway, ideally near a window or in an attic, ensuring a clear line of sight to the nearest cell tower. Avoid metal obstructions and Wi-Fi interference. Second, consider an external antenna. Yagi or panel antennas connected via SMA ports can boost signal strength by 10 to 20 dBs. A rural Kentucky case study showed a farmer boosting speeds from 5 Mbps to 150 Mbps with a $100 Yagi antenna. Finally, explore band locking via your gateway's web interface or the T-Mobile app. Locking to band 71 can provide more stable rural connections, while band 41 offers faster speeds in urban areas, but improper locking can worsen the signal. Telecom analyst Roger Entner suggests 60% of signal issues are user-fixable using these methods. T-Mobile may launch free antenna kits in 2026 for users.